Hello and welcome to today's video. I've had to come inside the caravan because the weather outside isn't all that good today, so I thought I would just jump in here and give you a quick little review on this Gorilla 1K tripod. I wanted to get something just because holding the camera with your hand, it feels a bit uncomfortable, doesn't feel very stable at all. Sometimes you feel like you're going to drop the camera, and as you know, if you spend a lot of money on a camera, or even your phone for that matter, you don't want to drop it. So I figured I would just pick up a tripod, and this is going to be my initial impressions of this one. So I'll open it up first and then we'll go outside and I'll show you what it's like actually with the camera on. And there's some weird bug in here with me, so hopefully it doesn't attack me. So, instruction manual. Don't know what that's for. Nothing else in the box. Okay. So these legs, they feel initially quite stiff. Quality feels good, as you'd expect for the amount of money you pay for these things. The ball up here feels reasonably smooth. Seems alright to me. Let's put the camera on it and see how it goes. Okay, so the camera is on the tripod now. Holding this now is a lot better than holding it with the camera by itself with your hand. I tell you, it's really nice. It feels good in your hand. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip because of all those little nodules that are on the tripod itself. And it's got this rubberized type material that goes around each of those little nodules as well. So the little ball joint things that's on the actual tripod. So it's not going to slip out of your hand. So yeah, I like it, it's good. Sitting on the table itself, it actually seems to be extremely stable, as you would expect as well, and you can bend everything into exactly where you'd want it to be. Alright, bending the tripod a little bit so the camera moves back just a touch is really nice. I like the extra reach that it gives you. Makes the shot a little bit better, I think, as well, just looking at the screen now, so you're not having it so close up like this, so you can really have it out there. No, I think it's good. And walking along with it as well, it keeps it all nice and steady. Don't have any problems with it at all. If you look at my previous videos, you would have noticed that there's a lot of hand movement in that there as well, where having this tripod allows you to grip it nice and keep it all steady. So that's my review of the Joby 1K tripod. I think it's awesome. I'm going to keep on using it. I'm not going to take it back. I think it'll work out well. So if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button, make sure you subscribe for future content, and click that little bell icon too. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.